And here is a tip for you today about separating work from home in the virtual world. So the number one thing is routine. Get up at the time that you normally would have done for work when you were leaving the house and get dressed. Possibly put on your work clothes. I know I have a friend who cannot possibly work without her work shoes on, and so keeps her shoes by the desk. She even opens her front door and closes it again, just to get a routine, a feel as if she's going to work. The other thing is we need to remember to stretch and take breaks. That way we will keep our focus better. Sitting all day is not good for us. And in an office, we tend to get up and walk around a lot more than we maybe do when we're working at home. Family responsibilities sometimes mean that we're working in the evenings. So have a cutoff time. Make sure that you're not using those evenings to run right into bedtime, even 5 minutes before you go to bed, to get your brain off that and onto something that's more relaxing than work. Maybe you don't have a dedicated workspace. It's a luxury if you do. But even if it's just the sit-stand desk of the ironing board going up and down, make it easy to pack up at the end of the day. If it's a shared space in your home, have some boxes to be able to sweep everything into, or at least have a cloth that you can just put over everything so you can't see it. So your brain will let go. You're not looking at it constantly. And then have boundaries. Your family knows when you can be interrupted and when you can't. Keep your promises to other people who are in your home. If you say, I will be stopping for a break at this time, let's get together, make sure you do. That will keep you much more separate rather than just work, work, work and getting overwhelmed by it. So for additional tips, check the links below this video. But thanks for watching.